In this video, we're going to talk about your vision. First, about what is a vision, why it's important, and how you can build one. So, what is a vision? Imagine 15 years from now, you've started a company, it's successful. What does the world look like, your company being successful? What does your company look like when it's successful? What kind of people does it have, its employees? What kind of products and services? In how many countries is it? What is it known for? This is all part of your vision and the idea that it will inspire you. For example, I'm starting a smartphone company. My vision is that every single person on the African continent has a Kenyan smartphone. And I want my company to be known for being innovative and resourceful. That's something that inspires me. So why is it important? When you think about a vision, it's something that enables you to get direction. It's 3 years down the line, I'm starting a smartphone company. My friend comes and says, Charlotte, I have a great idea. I have some laptops coming in from China and they're very cheap. You should buy some. I think, wait, my vision says I want to make a product made in Kenya and I want it to be smartphones. So does this make sense for me? No, it doesn't. Maybe I have the money, but it's not the right investment. So it helps you bring direction and make the right decisions. On the second aspect, it also enables you to attract the right people. When you have a strong vision, you attract people that believe in that vision and that actually want to stay in your company to achieve it. That's when you get loyal employees. But also it enables you to understand which employees are the right ones for you. For example, you're starting your company, you're having your first position and 2 candidates apply. They're both qualified, they're both really good. Which one do you choose? The one that's the closer to your vision, because that person is gonna be loyal and work with you for a longer period of time. So how do you go about building a vision? The first thing you need to do is brainstorm. You take Post-its alone or with your team and you start your brainstorming process. Close your eyes, think about 15 years from now, where are we? What is happening? How has the world changed? And you write that down. Once you're finished with writing down all your ideas, you have a bunch of Post-its on your table. You think about, are there any patterns of ideas that come together? For example, when I was doing the brainstorming, I realized actually a few ideas are around the same theme. I want this to be made in Kenya. So I put that together and I write the theme made in Kenya. Once I've done that with all of the different Post-its and all of the different ideas, not only my own, but the people that are together with me, we start discussing. And the process is about finding a common understanding of what is the bigger picture that you're going towards. Different themes, different areas. You don't go yet into detail, you just go into the overview. This might take some time, so you need to maybe write it down, talk to your team, leave it be for a little bit, come back. A few hours later, a few days later, a few weeks later, however long you need. You come back to it, you continue discussing, and then like this you continue. This might take a few times. Once you're done with that, you actually need to go into the detail of what you're trying to do. And that is writing down the words. So the best thing is that you have someone that's good in English that can enable you to find the words that are right. But if you're good yourself, then that's great. From there on, you write down everything. You still discuss, you still might have disagreements, and that's okay. And once you're done that, you might have a final sentence. Now it's very important when you have the final sentence that you let it be for a few days or a few weeks. And when you come back, you read it again and you see, do I still connect to this? If you do, great, you're ready to start. If you don't worry, you start again around the discussions until you reach that point where you feel very comfortable with what you're creating. So I wish you the best of luck in creating that.